Parejeda, and every week I'm getting crafty and nerding out with a new geeky DIY project for you guys. If that sounds awesome, hit that subscribe button down below to join our NerDIY family. The spooky season is upon us, and we all know what that means: awesome costumes. I'm so excited for Halloween. It is my favorite holiday, and this year I'm dressing up as Holly Golightly from Breakfast at Tiffany's. Not your normal Breakfast at Tiffany's outfit where she's dressed in black with the diamonds, but the really cute one where she's in the tuxedo shirt with a really cute sleep mask when she opens the door and Paul is there. It's a super cute scene and I love it so much I just had to do this cosplay. So the piece that just makes this costume is the eye mask. It's so 1960s. It's got eyes on it, some gold embellishments, and it's just a gorgeous eye mask. So that's what I'm going to show you guys how to make today. It's really easy and it turns out super cute, and I'll show you how to put together the rest of the costume right after I show you how to make that eye mask. So let's get started.
The first thing you want to do is grab a piece of teal blue felt and fold it in half. Then what you're going to do is take your template. I have this link down below for you guys so you can cut everything out from there. And you're going to pin that onto your felt. Then take a Sharpie and outline the outside. I did Sharpie because it's easy to see. You can use whatever you want. Then I took the pins out and took my template off so it was easier to cut, and I added a few more pins so that it stayed together while I cut it out, because we want both of these pieces of felt to be the same exact size, because this is what's going to make the body of our mask. Once you're done cutting, take out those pins and you should have 2 duplicate pieces of eye mask. Then we're going to be doing the eyes, and I just used some of the scraps from what I just cut out to trace the shape of the eye with a Sharpie. This is included in your template as well. Then fold over that material and pin it and cut it out. And we want to make sure that we're cutting out the same size shape for this as well, so try and get it as accurate as you can. Then take your pin out and you should have 2 identical pieces for your eyes. And this is the part where I messed up and I totally forgot a step, so just ignore all the glue on the side. I had to peel off a piece that I had already glued on, so just ignore that. It'll be totally fine. Next, you're going to grab some of the gold string and you're going to cut out 2 pieces that are basically fit around your head. So what I did is I just took these pieces and I wrapped it around my head, and then I cut out 2 pieces of that size. Then you're going to take one of your felt pieces of the eye mask. You're going to glue one of the edges of your gold pieces to where you want the strings to come out of your eye mask. I did mine about 1/2 inch down from the top. Then you're going to take your second gold string and you are going to glue it to the other side of the mask, making sure it's level with the other string. Then you're going to take your other felt piece and you're going to glue it to the first felt piece. Make sure that you have the Sharpie parts on the inside so they can't be seen. All I did was I just glued around the edges. There's no need to glue on the inside unless you feel like it. Do what you want. And once that's all dry, you should have a complete eye mask with the strings inside so you can't see the edges. Now it's time to glue on some of our embellishments. I got this awesome gold ribbon from Joann's. It was right in the ribbon section and it was perfect for this, so you should be able to pick it up there. And all I'm doing is outlining the mask with this really cool ribbon by hot gluing it on. Make sure not to burn yourself in this. You can wait for the glue to cool a little bit. When you get back to where you started, cut that piece off and make sure you glue down the edge so it doesn't fray. Now it's time to embellish our eye pieces. I got these really cute like gold eyelash looking ribbon from Joann's that we're going to use, and they were perfect for the eyelashes. Now all I do is I just hot glue those onto the bottom parts of the eyes and snip off the edge to make sure that it is the right size. Then repeat this again with the second eye. Now our eyelashes are a little bit too long to match Holly's, so I snipped them in half so that they were a little shorter and looked more like eyelashes. Then we're going to be adding our eyes to our eye mask. first you want to place them on the eye mask to make sure that you've got them in the right place where you want them. And then we're just going to glue them on by putting hot glue around the edges and sticking our fingers in the middle when we glue it down so that it's raised up from the edge of the mask just a little bit. And there should be space between the top of your eyelashes and the bottom of your face mask, enough to put your finger in between them. Then we're going to take our gold string again and make some eyebrows. I made these eyebrows. I kind of just guessed at what size they should be, and then I made sure to cut the second one at the same size. Then I put hot glue on those, making sure not to burn myself, and hot glued them above the eyelids to make some really cute eyebrows. Now we're going to take some green jewels. You can use green or blue. It's hard to tell in the movie what color they are, but I went with green because that's what it mostly looked like to me. And you're going to glue your jewels underneath the eyelids so you can have some cute little sleepy jeweled eyes. And after you've done that, you've made your mask, and it is so super cute. I love it so much. And to make your costume, all you need is a dark-haired wig if you don't already have dark hair, some really cute tassel earrings to kind of look like the earplugs that she has in the movie, and then, of course, the tuxedo shirt to really pull the look together. And that's how you make your Holly Golightly costume.
I hope you guys like this project. I love this costume so much. And even at one of our Halloween parties that I went to, I ran into another Holly Golightly who was dressed in the black outfit, and we were just different versions of each other, and it was super fun. So I want to see your guys' pictures of you sporting this super cute Halloween costume. You can share those with me on Twitter and Instagram and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next week for another DIY project where we get crafty and nerd out.